Hello everyone, I'm Diya. Today, under the supervision of Mr. Robin, I'm going to talk about an important point that we used recently but we don't know what is it even. So let's talk about headphones and earbuds. Before knowing anything, let's know what is headphones and earbuds. Headphones and earbuds are a pair of small loudspeakers that connected with your devices and transferring the sound from the device to your ears. Let's go. So let's start the history of headphones. The first time an engineer called this man made his first headphone at 1910. This is the picture of the first headphone, and he invented at his kitchenist table. Okay, so we have types of headphones. There are two types of headphones. They are called headphones and earbuds. Headphones are surround your ears, but earbuds are injected to the canals of your ear. This is, if we go deeper, we have two other types of headphones. This type of headphone called wired headphone. Wired headphones have a wire that connects with your audio device, and the only thing separating you from your device is the wire that has been used, and there are only few feet between you and the device that you're using. The second type is wireless headphone. Wireless headphones do not have wires that are connected with your devices like computer, mobile, iPads, tablets, and other stuff by Bluetooth. So they don't have wire. Okay, have you ever thought about a wire? Have you ever asked yourself this question? Do headphones have side effects? Yeah, they do. They have a lot of side effects. So let's know what are the side effects. Okay, the first thing, the headphones are exposed to germs. Also, they're exposed to many places that they are kept. Sharing headphones paves way to transfer these germs from a person to another one, and which these germs further include harmful bacteria and harmful effects on our ears. Okay. The second thing, headphones produce sound waves that reaches our ears, making the eardrum vibrate. This vibration spreads to the inner ear via the small bones and reaches the cochlea. The cochlea is a chamber inside the inner brain that contains fluid. When the sound wave reaches the fluid will vibrate, and this vibration makes the hairs that are inside cochlea to move. When the louder sounds, the stronger the vibration and more hairs move. The continuous and long-term exposure to louder music makes the hair cells to eventually lose their sensitivity to vibrate. Losing the sensitivity to vibrate makes the ears to lose their hearing sense. So guys, now let's watch this video about the side effects of using headphones. Okay. The first thing we have the sound waves that transfer to the eardrum and make the eardrum vibrate. They make the eardrums vibrate, and this vibration of the eardrum is separated to the inner ear and moved to cochlea by these small bones. Okay. This is cochlea. We said that cochlea it's inside an inner ear, and it's a chamber that have a fluid inside it. When the sound vibrates, the fluid will vibrate too and makes the hair cells move. As you see, the fluid vibrates and makes these hair cells move. So now let's know, are headphones and earbuds bad for your brain? Yeah, they are bad. The first thing is that their electromagnetic waves that our headphones generate result in problems for the brain as well in the long term. And the second thing, ear infection also affects our brain. How to decrease the side effects of headphones? Okay. The first thing is to not use unless it is absolutely necessary. The second thing, use it with the lowest possible volume. Then third thing, for the shortest period of time. And the last one, you should have time lapse between using your headphones, because ears by the time lapse between your uses, you can allow the ears to recover bad effects of headphone on their sensory cell. And which one is safer to use? We have many types of headphones that we use it all day and we don't know which one is safer. The most safest type of headphone is headphones. This type that they cover the air, they do not insert it to our ears. The second type is earpods. Earpods are this type that they are the second one to use because they're injected to your ear canals. The last one is AirPods. AirPods are injected to your ears. They make you to lose your hearing sense, and this has a bad effect for your brain because it has electromagnetic waves. How much does a headphone cost? The most known company for producing headphones and other type of technology is Apple. So we all know Apple, so let's know how much does a headphone cost that Apple produces. The first type is AirPods Max for $549. The second type is AirPods Pro for $249. The third type is AirPods with a wireless charging case for $199. The fourth one is AirPods with a charging case for $159. And the last one and the cheapest one is an AirPod with a connector, which is for $19. And now we have the shipment of headphones. Headphones have been sending abroad each year. So let's know the rate of sending headphones abroad. The first time we have 2003. In 2003, the sending AirPods to other countries was 286 million. In 2014, it was 309.5 million. In 2015, the shipment of headphones was 361.3 million. In 2016, it was 349 million. In 2017, it was 363 million of headphones. And in 2018, it was 318.7 million of headphones. And in 2019, the shipment of headphones was 445 million. And the last one in 2020, the shipment of headphones were 419 million of headphones. So at the end, I hope please let us use